Hey, welcome to the show. Do you have this option on your phone? It is the developer option. I have the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and when I looked on my phone in my settings, this was not there. I wanted to do some USB debugging and change a couple things, and I could not find the developer option. It is hidden. Why they're hiding it, I have no idea. It's like a video game. So what you have to do is click on About Phone. So click on that little button right there, then go all the way to software information, okay? And then go over to build number. Now, what you have to do, this is so crazy. What you have to do is you have to click on build number 7 times. So you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that will enable that secret hidden developer option mode. And I will tell you, when you go into developer options right here, they have a huge amount of things that you can change in there. So be very careful when you're changing all that, because you could mess something up. So maybe that is why they kept it hidden, but it took me a long time to figure out where that is. So once again, what you need to do is go to About Phone, go over to software information right here, go over to build number, tap 7 times, and boom, right away that will pop up for your developer options. Hey, thanks a lot for watching my show. This right here is the SUP case for Unicorn Beetle Pro. Check out my videos because I'm going to be installing a white stone dome glass protector on here to see how this fits with this case. I got a lot of other cool phone video reviews on here. And like always, have a fun day. Adios.